This video explores some common bell designs and shows why the Model 100 bell is my choice. Bells are a convenient way to let others know a bicycle is approaching. A good bell should be effective, reliable, and convenient. So here are the 3 bells. Bell number 1 has a flexible rubber mount and a downward curvature on the lever. These tend to sap energy and cause occasional misfires. Also, the inner edge of the lever opening digs into the thumb. I've rated it 2 out of 10. Bell number 2 has a stable clamp design and a good strong ring. However, the spring-mounted lever is a bit unstable, so actuating it can be a bit hit or miss. I've rated it 5 out of 10. Bell number 3 has a rigid mount as well. Its horizontal lever action feels more natural and the hand stays close to the other controls. The mechanism inside the bell has a rigid bearing, so the lever always follows the same path. I rate this bell 9 out of 10 and use it on all my bikes.